Hello friends, my name is Hamid. Today I'm working on this IKEA microwave, OTR or over the range microwave. The customer's complaint is when they start the microwave it says door. On some microwave it says closed door, on this microwave it only says door. When you press start to heat up your food, and that time it says door and then the microwave doesn't work. You can see she also mentioned that the light inside of the microwave is not working. We are gonna also check that. So I got the glass of water here. Close the door and select 1 minute. Start. See, it says door, nothing is working here. Even if you add 30 seconds, this stays door. You see these 5 screws I pulled out from the top LED. The first thing you want to do is unplug the microwave just to be safe, and then open the door. 1 2 3 4. We got 5 screws. 1 2 3 4 5. There's 3 screws that goes at the back, 2 in the front by the grill. You take all of these screws out and then wiggle this panel back and forth, it will come out. You need to take this control panel off to work on these switches to see if switch is not working. In order to take that out, there's 1 screw, and over there it's a Phillips screw. We're going to take that off. Once the screw comes out, you can hold it from the top and pull it out. Lift it and pull it. Connect this wire first. Keep the control panel the way it is. We're gonna take these screws off. They're both Phillips. And remember the way this wire, electrical wires are coming from this slot, and this sensor wire is coming from here. You remember to put it at the same spot back again when you put this back. Now the next part we have here is these micro switches. You see this micro switch, and of course we have micro switches there. We are gonna check those. Before you work on a microwave, you need to discharge the capacitor. These screws out. Here's the capacitor. You need a needle nose plier with an insulated handle. Again, double check, make sure the microwave is unplugged and it's in off position. Hold your needle nose plier, attach both of the here. Once you attach it like this, go like this back and forth, the capacitor is discharged. Now you're safe to work on the microwave. We're gonna check these switches for continuity, these two, and there's also another micro switch here. You see these little small plungers? Sometimes even if you press it with your finger, you can get the feeling that if it's working or not, but the proper way is to test it. I have my meter set up on continuity with the beep. We need to unplug at least one of the wires when we are working on it to get the proper reading. I have continuity. When I press this button, I should not have any continuity. So this switch is good. This screw that I'm going to pull out is this screw is Torx number 9. I have to take this off in order to take the whole switch assembly out. This is our common. I'm gonna disconnect. I will take this spring out, or because the spring is not on my way anymore, I can test this. Normally close, it's okay. And between this one and the common. I should not have any continuity. This one and common. No continuity. If I press the switch, I should get continuity on it. So the switch also seems okay. The common problem I've seen with these microwaves are that these switch holders are actually the problem. It could be the spring that's causing this issue. It could be the switch holder. I tested both of these switches. They're okay, and I'll reinstall it back in. When installing this screw back in, do not over torque it. That's all, because it goes in the plastic and it can cause damage to the plastic. We'll open this one. This needs to come out in order to take the switches out here. I had to bend this spring a little bit down this way, and that will also make a difference, but I'll still test the switch to see if we got problem with the switch or not. The switch seems okay. I'm not gonna put this plate back in. I just have to test the microwave and see how it goes. So the microwave light is also working, as you can see. It's hot, it's working, and because you cannot see the water how hot it is, so I'm gonna show you right now that the heat is working. It's heating. So I'll put everything back together. Now we know that the microwave is fixed without replacement of any part. There's a good chance we may need a micro switch holder, those white color pieces, the plastic that holds the switches in place. I will let the customer use the microwave and keep using it. If they still have problem or I get a recall, I'm going to replace both of those switch holders that goes on the top and bottom, and that should take care of the problem. For now, when the customer uses the microwave, she will be closing the door a little bit harder than normal because those switches are not engaging properly, and that was the reason the microwave was not working. Other than that, you can see everything seems okay here. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you guys have any question, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share it with others. You can also follow me on Facebook. It's called Hamid Appliances Repair. Thank you. So your microwave is fixed.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'm also gonna show the model number right here. This is the model number.